My name is Toshi Odawara. I work for UD Trucks Corporation for 17 years. I'm now in charge for the Quester product line. This is the first time that we are presenting the full range of Quester in one place. So customer is now enjoying testing the truck with all the variation we have uphill, downhill, also all the curves. I feel confident about this product, but a little bit still nervous. I think this event today is very important for us because we have launched this Quester back in 2013 with the 6x4 tractor and rigid only. Now we are ready to offer more wide variation to customers. Start from 4x2 rigid and tractor. We also have 6x2 rigid and tractor, and also 8x4s. The engine we have now, we have only launched 11 liters since 2013, but now we have the variation of 8 liter, which has the horsepower from 220 to up to 330. The gearbox, we have 9-speed gearbox and 12-speed gearbox. All the variation that we make is to try to adapt to customers' application. We have been listening to customers for a long time to improve our products. The customer is already enjoying the event. They are happy. We always want to see the real things. We don't sit in the office and just do the personal computer thing. We go into the market and see customers, how they operate. We need to really understand what they are facing today in their transport business.